I was online searching for AI when I saw this website called Coursiv.io, and it's a website that promise to help you in learning a whole lot of stuff online. Okay, like freelancing, AI, content writing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and several other ones out there. And I'm like, okay, what is it about? I clicked on it and I landed on this page. Right there, it's this is kind of different because normally what I'm used to seeing and what a lot of people are used to saying is that the moment you land on the page, you saw a video telling you this or that, or possibly a text, and you have to input your email address and you go straight to the next page. But this one is different because this is more like a quiz. So the moment you land on the page just like this, you can see that it's not in air. You just go straight and start doing quizzes. But one thing that amazed me about this is that this is also synonymous to Prosperity Academy. Prosperity Academy also has the same interface, so that makes me feel like it is the same brand or the same person that is behind these two websites. Now let me show you Prosperity Academy in a GV. So right here is Prosperity Academy, and as you can see that it is the same. Okay, it is the same, no difference. The only thing that is different here is the logo. All right, so it is the same, and that is why I'm like, okay, it is the same brand that is behind these two websites. Okay, and I think these people are also trying to they should be careful, because especially the Prosperity Academy, or they have to be careful because they have a synonymous logo as Proton. But however, we are in this today for Coursiv.io. So I was like, okay, let me see what this is about and let's see what they have for us. So I started clicking and I started clicking and clicking, and they started giving me the squeeze, and I started going on and on and on, and I answered a whole lot of questions, up to like 25 questions. Oh, okay, sorry, 23 questions rather, and up to the level that I was done with all these 23 questions, and I landed on this page. Yeah, this is the page that I landed on. And as you can see now, and go AI skills. Now there are a lot of things that you can possibly, that this platform promise to help you to learn. Okay, it is not only AI. I was the one that chose AI because I felt like AI is one of the things that I'm interested in presently, because AI is a new way to make life easy for yourself without having to go ahead to hire freelancers or people to help you do tasks. With AI, life is more easier. So I'm always kind of interested in anything that is related to AI, which is artificial intelligence now. And as you can see right here is the page that they sent me to. I like this marketing strategy because a whole lot of marketing strategies that I've been into is all about sending a lead to a page, collecting the email address and everything. But this one is a quiz and it's a unique one. All right, so they spend a lot of time, but however, those questions are kind of too much. All right, so you can see right here, I'm certain that you might have seen these also, but in case you didn't answer those questions, just know that this is the end result of everything you're gonna be pitched. Okay, you can see this is the plan right here. You can see 1 week plan, roughly $2, 4 weeks plan, roughly $1.5, $1.05 rather, and 12 weeks plan, roughly $1 right there. So you can see it's kind of very cheap. All right, and they also have money back guarantee. All right, so I feel this is unique because I've not seen something like this, and their interface is kind of sleek. You can see right there they have all these things showing me that okay, I can use AI to create a whole lot of stuff where you get guides on trending AI tools and blah blah blah. So you can see people of Coursiv and all that. Now I was like, okay, what is it about? I mean, why don't you just make more research? Because as you know, guys, I like to try as much as possible to make more research about whatever I stumble upon online. That is why I have this channel to just talk about my thoughts. I like internet marketing. It's my hobby. So whatever I see online, courses, AI tools, whatever, tools, softwares, AI, whatever it is I see, I'm just going to talk about it so far I have interest in it. That is me. So I went to Quora and I'm like, okay, guys, what do you have to say for us? And let me go to Quora now and let's see what they have to say right there. And right here on Quora, you can see the question is Coursiv.io legit? Has anyone used their service? And right here is an AI bot there, and this person said, I purchased a course from them. It's an absurd scam. Okay, the lesson are rubbish, all slides, no videos. repetitive. Each slide says the same thing. There is no value. They are probably all generated by AI. Many words, but they say nothing. And above all, the site does not work well from PC. It has a smartphone only interface. It's disgusting. And purchasing it, I immediately asked for a refund, but obviously they didn't give it to me. Whoop. Just from what we saw earlier, we were able to see that they said there is money back guarantee. However, sometimes it doesn't work that way, because most of these people also try as much as possible to get people to join their program, okay, with the money back guarantee gimmick. All right, okay, let's see what other people have to say here. Okay, they said, this person said, thank you for the review, I got victimized. Okay, could you send the cost to me? All right, so I want to see what more people have to say. Okay, see this person saying it's a scam. Okay, so now one thing you need to know about this program, because when I went ahead also to check it out, I was able to realize that if you should go ahead and subscribe, okay, the moment you input your details, your credit card details, even if you should cancel your subscription, because this is a subscription type of payment whereby you keep getting charged automatically. Okay, I gotta see a lot of people complaining that even after they subscribe and they want to unsubscribe, it's difficult for them because they keep getting charged. That is crazy. I mean, what is this guy's thinking? The moment you unsubscribe from their plan and you're like, you know what, I'm no more doing anything, I'm no more interested, your stuff, it's not okay with me, those guys are still gonna be charging you. Okay, so you have to be very careful. So in case you want to try it, I mean, it's extremely cheap. Okay, just $1 or $2 or whatever, you can give it a try out. But just know that even if you subscribe, to unsubscribe is going to be difficult. So meaning you might need to contact your bank or your card company to, or maybe if it's PayPal that you use, your PayPal card that you use to subscribe, you might need to contact your issuer, your card issuer, for you to be able to unsubscribe. Okay, so unsubscribing is very, very difficult. So because right here you can see that this person is saying, I had the same issue. I could actually stop the renewal and cancel the subscription, and I still got charged. So now I mailed them and they canceled it. Okay, fine. So you possibly, the solution is that the moment you mail them, you stand more chances of getting it cancelled. Okay, but what I just want you to know is that if you give it a trial and later on maybe you do not like what you see, make sure that don't just click on cancel. Okay, just make sure that you email them telling them that you want to cancel, and that way you're good to go. All right, so there are a lot of comments, because I like to, sometimes I don't really use Quora like that, but I was able to just go to Quora for this. So really I've been enjoying. Okay, this person said she has been enjoying it, and I haven't walked my way through all the lessons here, but the ones I did complete were great, and I learned a bit about effective prompting when working with ChatGPT. Okay, now the thing is that if you are the kind of person that you're a beginner in internet marketing, maybe you are someone who is new to AI, stuff like these are going to entice you, because possibly you don't even know anything. So people who don't know anything, beginners, complete beginners, are those that are gonna get value a lot from these. Okay, those who already know about internet marketing, someone like me who knows about AI already, I'm not gonna see something really worth it with Coursiv.io, because I'm already used to ChatGPT. I've been using ChatGPT to do a whole lot of stuff. Okay, I've used it to create ebooks, done a whole lot of stuff with ChatGPT and other AI tools. Okay, so I mean, one of the AI tools that I even use is called Jet. Okay, and Jet is what I use to create my YouTube short videos. I use it for several of my other channels. I also use it for long form videos on 3 of my other channels out there. And in case you might want to try Jet, you can check the link in the video description. I'm going to link to Jet. It's a very good tool that you can use to create video without having to show your face or even using your voice. Okay, so you can do it. Although this is my channel, I use my voice for this channel, but I have several other channels out there that I don't use my voice, I don't show my face, and those videos are generating me money consistently from YouTube ad revenue and selling my product. So you might want to check out Jet in the video description. But back to what we're saying here, beginners are those who are really gonna get a whole lot of value from this program, okay, or from this website or whatever. Okay, now the information I've gathered online indicate it has mixed review. Okay, some saying it's good, they got value, which are beginners. The most people saying they got value are beginners. Like this person now, Daihoni Nadeu, okay, if I'm correct with the pronunciation. Okay, the only right here is saying she enjoyed it a lot. Okay, it's currently assisting her in ebook. It's not right for you and harder. So I mean, this person is getting value. I gave it a try and I agree with the conversation that the lessons are rubbish. So you can see this person now saying they are rubbish. So one thing you need to know is that some people are gonna get value while others are gonna be like, oh no, that is nonsense. Okay, so you can see this person says so far exactly same experience. Asked for a refund same day I registered, but they send me a long description of how to get a refund instead of giving me the refund. All right, so so I've searched for the website for reviews, Coursiv, and blah blah blah. Okay, so okay, it even has poor review on Trustpilot. So that's another thing that you need to know. So this platform, you know they have a good ad budget. Okay, they're able to reach a whole number of people. But if you're a beginner, you can get value from them for real. Okay, I'm gonna suggest that if you're a beginner, you don't know anything about a particular niche, because they have a whole lot of niches. Okay, not only AI, they do drop shipping, digital marketing, content writing, freelancing, affiliate marketing. They have a whole lot of courses in their curriculum. Okay, so you can go ahead learn from them. But if you're an intermediate, or you already know what you're doing in a niche and you want to go ahead to learn, then it's not worth it. Okay, it's not even worth it. I wouldn't suggest you going for them. Okay, I would suggest you try out some other types of content. All right, like I don't want to go ahead and start scrolling all through, because this is gonna take much time, because I've actually studied all this before. So I wouldn't want to waste much of time, going ahead and start telling you guys, start reading all the reviews right here. Okay, if you want to check them out, you can also go to Quora and possibly see more of them. Okay, so you can go to Quora, search for Coursiv.io reviews or legit. So if you type any of those ones, you'll see people also giving suggestions. Okay, so my honest opinion is that I think it's kind of good for beginners. Okay, but getting your subscription to be cancelled, you really need to make sure that you try as much as possible, okay, to reach out to their support. Okay, don't just go ahead and feel like, okay, you cancel, or you are good to go. All right, although it's cheap, all right, but try as much as possible to also be careful. Okay, so you can give it a try. It's just $1. You can give it a try. If you like what you see, it's good, but don't really use what these people say to judge everything. Okay, because sometimes trying it out, it's not bad. Okay, and so far some people are able to get their refund back, then it's also a good one. So give it a try. Okay, go ahead, try Coursiv.io. If you get results, it's cool. You can let us know, come back to let us know. And if you do not get results from anyone you enroll for any of the courses, let us know. All right, so I believe this video has been helpful. Thank you very much. And the other time I was talking about Jet. Oh yes, Jet is a good tool that I've been using for my videos. It has helped me a whole lot to get traffic to my businesses and a whole lot of things. So if you want to try it, because you need to have organic traffic source. Okay, don't be the person that rely on paid ad all the time. Have an organic traffic source also. Okay, or if you are looking for a way to make money also, you can use Jet to create YouTube videos. You can later apply for YouTube ads monetization, and you can start monetizing your videos and making extra money for that. Okay, so you can try out Jet, although Jet is not free, but it's a one-time fee of the price of a burger. Okay, it's a very cheap tool, which is an AI tool that you can use for the price of a burger. Okay, so, and you can keep using it to create unlimited videos. You can also use the videos, like you can use the tool also to create videos for other people and make money from it. And the tool is good. It does everything YouTube for you. Create a video, thumbnail, description, and even also has a page designer. So meaning, in case you don't have a website, it has a landing and a sales page designer, which is gonna do everything for you. All you just need to do is just edit the text to your taste, and you're good to go to generate a link for your product. So it's a good tool that you should try out today. And you can click the link in the video description, or check the screen. The link is gonna be there. And I wish you the best of luck in your internet and online marketing journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new videos like this. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.